Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. Here with today's Tàijíquán Tip, and drawing continued inspiration from this clump of sod that's been set here and has begun to take here. In Tàijíquán, we speak about rooting all the time, but what I found is that here in the West, at least, people get directed to pay attention to something of value and then offer their valuing to that. In other words, they might not have heard about rooting. They start to hear about it. They see an example, hear an argument for it, and they're all in. They want rooting. And of course, they want a shortcut too. They want it fast and now and cheap. Fair enough. But what often goes missing in the consideration of something like rooting, but that's just the example today, but really anything of value, is that both the person expounding it, teaching it, and the person that's receiving it and is maybe new to it are likely here in the West to think that rooting must be the best, deepest, strongest, broadest, right? The est, hyphen est, the suffix, right? But there's all kinds of roots. There are shallow roots, there are tap roots, there are deep roots, there are dormant roots, there are girdling roots and so forth. So I just invite you in your practice to consider when you're rooting, when that's a consideration for you in your practice, maybe your form, what kind of root is it? It's not necessarily meant to be the deepest or broadest or strongest or oldest root. It may be very many roots. It may be shallow roots. It may be a few small roots. I don't know. But consider that. There may be a bunch of different types, not just the most best est. So thank you very much.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.